Hey guys, Dominique again, lead catalog manager here at Sunken Stone, and today we are talking about your seasonal inventory. Understanding seasonal inventory can be quite complex, and you want to make sure you get ahead of the game months in advance before your actual season hits. Depending on what you sell, certain times of the year, such as the holiday season, they can impact your inventory because of the demand of your product. In order to avoid sitting with too much or too little product during those times of the year, you're going to want to take the time to analyze when your products will be in demand and when your business's slower selling season falls. If you sell hammocks, you probably want to load in a bunch of hammocks right before summer, but not right before the winter, just depending on your marketplace that you're also selling in. Keep in mind that you also want to make sure you have enough to have replenished your amount that you sold during that seasonal period of time. The typical forecast should take months in advance to plan, giving you enough time to secure the stock with your suppliers and make sure you have enough to produce. Thank you very much for watching today. Like and subscribe below, and make sure that you pick up your copy of the Ultimate Amazon Playbook. In the next video, we will be talking about drop shipping.